Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create custom hover effects in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can simply continue with Google. You can continue with your business or working email. Or you know what, just click on the more options here so that you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, remember that creating a custom hover effects like this one can serve a lot of purposes, enhancing both the visual appeal and functionality of your website. Now, here are some reasons why some of the users or creators here in Squarespace would like to invest time in creating custom hover effects. So say for example, you click on the Get Started here. Now, Squarespace offers a variety of templates, but obviously many websites built on the platform end up looking similar, like this Get Started option here. Also, when you hover down to other buttons, it's all the same, right? Now, the custom hover effects can help your website stand out from the crowd, giving it a unique and memorable touch. Also, in that sense, it can also draw visitors' attention to specific elements on your website, such as buttons, links, or images, and by adding a visual cues that responds to your user interaction, you can increase engagement and encourage exploration of your content. Now, for us to be able to create a custom hover effects here in Squarespace, just go to the dashboard of your account. In my case, I'm gonna go here at the account dashboard in the upper right corner. And from here, you need to choose the website that you are working on. In my case, I'm going to be using this one, but it's up to you. You can use the website you're working on or the built-in domains that you have created here on the Squarespace. Now, from here, click on website. Now, for you to be able to create a custom hover effects in Squarespace, you need to access the custom CSS editor. And for you to be able to do that, go here at the left side panel of your dashboard and go to website tools. All right, as you can see, there's the custom CSS right here. Now, the first thing we need to do is to clear out all the CSS codes that's already embedded here, and we need to create our own. Now, the first one is going to be this one. Just put something like this right here. Now, did you see the apparent scene changes? When I hover the mouse to the Start Course button, it's just orange. But if I put the custom CSS code, what will happen is now the Start Course button turns into red. All right, you can also change it, like maybe into white. And what will happen is, as you can see, you can customize the colors for the specific hover button. You're now creating a hover effect here. Now maybe let's use something like green, and you click on it. Now it changes. Now after doing so, you can experiment with other colors, like maybe yellow for instance, and after doing so, there's you have it. Now you can also add more custom CSS code, something like this one, right, like this. Or you can also add something like this one. So you can experiment with the custom CSS. Apparently that's it. All right. It's very easy. And again, we can simply change this one to maybe, how about like green this time? Click on it. So there you have it. Now, to make it more visually appealing, we can add another black or add a section. Say, for example, we're going to add an image right here. Just maybe this one. It doesn't matter, but right. So here, or simply say for example you wanted to change the image into a something like a hover effect right here. Right now when I point the mouse in the image, nothing happens, right? But when I put this code right here, as you can see, whenever I hover the mouse to this specific image, now it turns into gray, right? So because of the filter is on grayscale. So that's one of the best ways for you to create a custom hover effects here on Squarespace. And again, one of the methods are clicking the image to stand out. And the next one again is simply pointing the button to become red. Earlier, when it's not activated, it's an orange, but when we put the code, it turns into red. Right now, I believe it's a straightforward process, and that's a wrap for today's video. Now remember that to test the hover effects across different devices and browsers to ensure they work properly and provide a consistent and experience for all visitors. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.